Hi, Dawn, and thank you for your question. So the question that you have is, does f of x plus h equal f of x plus f of h? Is this true or false? So looking at this, the way that I would go about doing it is that I would get an example function that's fairly easy. So I'm going to look at f of x is equal to 3x plus 5. And then I'm just going to apply this to this function. So if this is my example function and I want to then go f of x plus h, that means I'm going to substitute x plus h in for x. So I'll get 3x plus h plus 5. And then that gives me 3 times x plus 3 times h plus 5. And then, so that's this side of the equation. And now I need to get, I already have f of x, that's this part here, and now I need to do f of h. So f of h is just substituting h in for wherever there was an x. So 3h plus 5. And now I'm just going to move this over here. I'm going to see if these two will equal out. So f of x plus h, I realize, is 3x plus 3h plus 5. That's that. Is equal to f of x, which is 3x plus 5, plus f of h, which is this, 3h plus 5, and that's going to give me 3x plus 3h plus 10. And as you can see, the two sides are not equal. And because they're not equal, that means that that statement that they are equal will be false. So that's how I would go about figuring that out, is that I would just make up an example for a function and then apply this rule to see if it worked out. So I hope that makes sense on why it's false, and thanks for the question. Bye for now.